we're diving straight into the festive spirit with these delicious homemade Christmas mince pies. Just get yourself a little bit of puff pastry, use anything you have in the kitchen to cut out the required shapes. I'm using a silicone form here. It's much easier to get the stuff out when it's been greased a little bit. And I gave up on the circular idea, so I just started cutting out squares and taking off the edges. And it actually was a good idea because you can actually fold the pastry over, which means you don't need to cut out separate lids. Try not to overfill your pies. A teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of the filling is all you need. Buy the off the shelf stuff. It's perfectly adequate. Once you've done that, sprinkle or brush a little bit of milk over the top. It'll give you a lovely brown appearance, and sprinkle some sugar. Now I forgot, so I had to take them out of the oven, reapply some milk, and then my wife sprinkled some sugar on top. And after about 20 minutes at 180 fan, they came out like this. Now you might say there's a lot of sugar. There is, but it was delicious. Like apple candy, if that makes sense. They look very rustic because I just threw them together. Look at that.
I love the way that's kind of crystallised around the edges. It's cool.
Really good.
Oh yeah, much better than shop.
Bye.